To turn on your windshield wipers and you're not getting them to work, you could have a windshield wiper motor that's out, but you also could have a bad fuse. I'm going to show you where that fuse is real quick. So we're going to go, that fuse is in the front of the vehicle. The fuse box cover is just to the right of the battery here. It is fuse 6, which is a J-case fuse. There is a fuse puller that in this vehicle is right here. And we're just going to simply push this in and pull that out. So to test, we can give it a visual inspection to see if there's burn at the top of this, as well as we can stick our voltmeter in there to make sure there's continuity. If there isn't, we're going to replace this fuse. We're going to take a new one and then we're going to set it in there, push it down, and go into the vehicle before replacing that cap. Start the car. Turn on the windshield wipers, and they're working. So if you have a bad fuse, it's the J fuse in location 6. Make sure you look in your fuse relay box under the hood. If this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.